Good day guys, Carfix and DIY. Guys, this is the part 2 on how to install a dashcam on your vehicle. And okay, the last part of the video tutorial on how to install a dashcam. Guys, this is as what I've said on the last video. So this is for the reverse cam. This camera has two functions. This will guide while you are doing a reverse, and this is also a camera on the rear portion. So let's begin. So this is the male adapter, and this is the camera. We plug it here on the female. I want the wires clean as I can, so same thing. I run it onto the pillars, down on the gear, the side of the dashboard, and then going down underneath, and passes goes here, passes here, up to the rear portion. I changed the location where are we going to put the wire. Instead here, the front pillars, I change here. The front driver's side door going down here. It's very darky. Then going to the back. Here's again, I changed again the wires. I want it passes on the ceiling down to the back, the hatch portion of the car. So I guess this is much more easier than placing the wire here. Down is going down this step board. So maybe this is the safest way placing the wire. And okay, let's continue, guys. Remove the cover here, guys. has to have an access here. And it's inside. And this is passes through underneath. So we are now at the underneath. This is the wire coming from. We are going to connect the red wire. It's here. Sorry for the camera. This one. We're going to tap this at the positive wire of the reverse light wire. So let's check it. Okay, I already checked it. The blue and the black wire. So obviously the black one is the negative and the blue will be the positive one. So the red wire of the reverse camera will be going to tap here. Sorry, will be tap here. So this is the connector of the camera, and this is the one. This is the other. This is the male connector. This is the male, and this is the female. Sorry, I covered it with the electrical tape. So we're going to connect it, but we have to tap the red wire first on the reverse that one, reverse light, yeah, which is the blue one, the positive one. So let's begin. So guys, I just tapped the wire already, and this is good to go. Okay, before we leave this one, we need to tape it with using electrical tape. Guys, we are all done, and as you can see, we already cover up the wire using an electrical tape, and we are good to go. Just an advice, guys, whatever you make an electrical works on your vehicle, you should always use an electrical tape after tapping the wire. So we have to arrange the wirings properly. I tied it the wire like this and insert it here, put it here, and that's all good. Then return the cover. Then return the plastic clips. Yeah. And now let us check the rear view camera. Okay guys, we're all done, and I hope you do enjoy watching this video and you learn on how to install a dash cam on your vehicle. Guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and please like this video. Thank you for watching.